cotton batting, and a lot of people still like to use cotton batting. It's got a certain feel to it, I suppose, and so we do get people that buy it. It's made out of short staple cotton, and that's why it's got the seeds and, I don't know, some roughage from the plant stems and the bolls, I guess, because you can't really make fabric out of it. So they make things like this, just batting, just to fill in things, fill things out. And this is pretty much what they used in the old days. If you have a real old dining room chair or some type of chair, you will see cotton batting in there. The disadvantage of it is, particularly like in dining room chairs, is after a while of sitting on it, it gets to be kind of hard, and there's not much comfort to it. So you know, later on as time went by, people switched to different materials. A more modern material would be, like on a dining room chair, would be like some 1 or 2 inch foam, and then on top of that they would put some batting. But the batting that's used more commonly nowadays is your polyester batting, like this one here. So we sell this polyester batting. It sells for the same price as cotton batting. It's 30 inches wide, and this is usually used on top of almost any piece of foam that you might use. You always want to put some batting on top of the foam, because if you don't, well, fabric stretches through time, and then you start to get little waves developing. If you put the batting in there, though, it's always springy, so it has a tendency to fill in any of that and make it look a little more plush, a little more rounded, not like a flat piece of toast kind of a look. So we always recommend that you add the batting to the foam.